Welcome to the World Expo 2020. Welcome at the Austrian Pavilion, where AIT is invited to showcase actually how the planning of the future will look like. In the iLab, the Austrian Pavilion shows 50 innovative showcases. One of them is AIT's take on the planning of the future.
So we took part of Vienna with us. We brought this Austrian Z-Stadt model here, and then we have this physical model, interactive screens, iPads and the HoloLens.
For this workshop, we first gave the participants an overview what we're doing at the Austrian Institute of Technology and the Digital Resilient Cities unit.
We wanted to bring to the Dubai Expo the actual experience of designing within the City Intelligence Lab. That's why we've built an interactive demo using augmented reality and artificial intelligence models.
We brought a generative model, we brought a deep learning accelerated real-time impact assessment on microclimate, on mobility, and the exciting thing, we can look at all these things kind of at the same time in this model.
Here we create this collaborative design environment
that allows us to take informed decisions for more sustainable and livable cities.